Alrighty. I figured I'd show you here. This is for Cubs Rule again. It's another video request. So, this I flatten out to put into the hedge trimmer. And I kind of got it to work, but it would shock me because of the ground when it was on the opposite side. This was soldered onto this wire. If you can see the gray part here, it's where it was soldered onto. Here's the wire for that. And this is all broken here, as you can see. That this wire here is pretty much unfixable now. I yanked it out of there and I pretty much messed this all up. And I had no intentions and no need. And the recoil really isn't in good shape anymore. I don't ever plan to fix that. That is just simply used for parts. Let's clean up the garage here. I haven't done much today. I didn't go to church because we never wake up late for some reason today. We all woke up late, so it's just been a different schedule all day doing homework and not really doing that, y'all. So if you watch the video on how to put this in, this spring here is pretty, like, as you can tell by the edges here. When I'm holding, it's pretty much blown. And to try to get this piece included, well, that's easy. Get that piece in there, and then do that. We actually took this somewhere to see if they could put this back together, because I tried for 2 hours one day, or about an hour and a half or so, trying to put it back into all the tricks, but then it would just keep blowing out and coming out on me. So, I am not going to fix that machine. I mean, I really won't need to. I've got a new Echo. The steel is only 3 or 4 years old. No problems with it. Brand new Echo, only 90 problems. What's today? 2 days away from being 30 days old. Haven't even had it for a month. This chainsaw, I guess we can try it again. That was requested. Forgot to grab the tripod when I came. Yeah, it's been misting all day, then finally it just stopped. It's been misting all day. I'll give it a shot, and you can see it's really wet out here. Same for what you want. That beauty, there's a beauty there. The John Deere Blower also, if I were to fix it, it's just a lot of money. Not really, but it's not a lot of money. It is an old machine. It is somewhere close to around 40 years old. If you can believe that. It's a very old blower. And it was getting tough to start. I'm going to yank my arm out again. I'm really sore on it from yesterday. This thing is so hard to start. I think you got to go. Okay. You got to go like this, right? I can't remember now. My arm hurts. Gosh. yesterday was even tougher to start. Today it's easier pulling, but give it a snort crack or engine crack. This is just choke cleaner, but it's kind of flammable. Not very good for your machine, but that was a little bit too much. Not sure I'm gonna get ridiculed for that, but I'm just telling you that I know I did too much. So. That thing so much. Oh. Oh. Man, it's sloppy out here. Okay, one more try. Ugh. Alrighty. I don't know if that satisfies what you're wanting, but that thing is a pain in the rear to start, and it really doesn't like to start. The plug does have spark, last I checked. So it's a tough machine to start. Maybe if I try it in about 10-15 minutes, give it another shot. But I'm only going to do about 5 or 10 pulls. Otherwise, I think my shoulder's going to fall out. Yeah, it's always been a tough machine to start. So, anyways, figured I'd just show you all that. Cubs requested that, so yeah, that's really all I have. The John Deere Blower, no plans or means to fix it. When you're in the lawn care business, you just use it for parts. Also, the spark plug wire is all messed up, and I'm not in the mood to fix that. So, anyways, I guess that we'll see you guys a little bit later. So yeah.